I'm Chris with Headlight Revolution, and today I'm going to show you guys a real quick video on upgrading the cargo lights in your 2018 Ford F-150. Now, it's really sweet that they give you these LED bed lights from the factory of these trucks, and those look awesome, but paired with these funny halogen lights up top, it doesn't look good. So, we're going to fix that today. The first step is take a 7mm socket and pull these 4 bolts out. Pop the cargo light out, and you'll see 3 sockets on the back here. The 2 outside ones are your cargo lights. Now, one major reason why you might want to do this is, obviously it's a truck, you know, you load things in the bed, sometimes it's nighttime, you need to see what you're doing, and the Ultra Series bulbs that we're installing from GTR Lighting will let you accomplish exactly that. They're the best bulb that we could find that actually even fit in here. A lot of the bulbs on the market were too long, too tall, they just didn't fit, they hit the lens, or they didn't fit the base very well, and one of them even almost fell out. So, the Ultra Series bulb fits the base well, produces a ton of light, and it looks great. I'll show you guys real quick what those look like, side by side. Now, as you can see, it's an awfully stylish bulb, but most importantly, it's super functional. That unique wedge design with the single LED on each side really allows it to fill this housing with a ton of light, and it projects it in the right way. Now here you guys can probably see what I'm doing a little bit better. These are the sockets that we're dealing with. As you can see, that bulb fits in there real nice. Now, you've got one center brake light, and that's the same bulb as the outside ones, but we can't quite use the Ultra Series bulb in that housing. GTR Lighting does not supply the Ultra Series bulb in red in that design, so we're going to use the reflex bulb from GTR Lighting instead. Here's what it looks like compared to the stock bulb. Now, we've been using the reflex for quite a while. We love these bulbs. We very rarely see them come back. They're super bright. They really stand out in this housing. Now, when you get this all put together, you're going to want to test it and make sure it all works. If for some reason one of these bulbs doesn't power on, chances are it's just in backwards. You can take it out, flip it around, and reinstall it. So we're going to power these up right now and make sure that everything works. Look at that. Super bright, huge upgrade from stock, worth every penny. Thanks for watching. If you're going to do any upgrades to your F-150 when it comes to lighting, whether it's headlights, tail lights, reverse lights, anything, you name it, we've got it all figured out. Check out our channel, check out our website, www.headlightrevolution.com. Thanks for watching.